Normally, this is a common belief that Gabriel's relation is only with the Sharia, with law. Gabriel normally comes with law. The questioner from Chittagong, he asks that, Huzur, does it mean that with the demise of Rasul Karim sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Gabriel's activities are now over, finished?
No, it doesn't mean that. Every wahi which is brought to Allah's prophets or even to awliya is brought under the charge of Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salatu wasalam. Hazrat Jibreel is the supreme in charge of the institution of wahi. So even those salihin which have passed in Ummat Muhammadiyya sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they were brought wahi by Hazrat Jibreel. Ulama objected against this when Hazrat Masih Maud alayhi salatu said, my wahi is also brought by Jibreel. So they said Jibreel has ceased to come after the demise of Hazrat sallallahu alaihi wasallam. But this is false. Jibreel continues to supervise the institution of wahi. Where is your little daughter?
She's in, I told you, she's in Pakistan.